Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJS Info. This video is about how to get data related to only approved one. We have list of employees claim report which consists approved, pending and rejected. Accounts department is concerned only with approved for making payment. First, we need to get only approved. There are some chances it may get some duplicates. We can resolve it after that. Index, just give this one, employee ID, comma, match. We want only approved, so just give reference approved, freeze it, comma. We will get it in status only, so give range, comma. We want exact match, 0, bracket close, enter. This is okay, 8764, it's duplicate. Making payment only 18th and 19th. So for that we have to use conditional if formula. Just open that. If take approval date greater than and equal to 18th, freeze it, comma, then we have added if, so comma and 0. Only 3 employees can get amount based on 18th and 19th, because we have given formula that payment will be made only 18th July and 19th July. So for that we have given selection, so based on that it is given. For getting name, just use index match, give range, comma, match, exact match, getting code, same way, index match. If it is multiple codes, then index function will be very useful. Here we have given only one single code, comma, match, for getting amount, same process, index, comma, match, to avoid not available, we can make if error. Just to fix it. If you like this video, comment it, share it. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.